Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Hello and welcome my dear students. Second prep, second term. ونطق كلمات lessons 3 and 4 from unit 11. جهاز التحكم عن بعد remote control. remote control. طائرة بلا طيار يمكن التحكم بها عن بعد drone. drone. حفاظ أو حماية conservation. conservation. ملائمة أو ملائم أو مناسب suitable. suitable. مواد كيميائية chemicals. chemicals. صديقة للبيئة environment friendly. environment friendly. غابة forest. forest. مرشح أو مصفاة filter. filter. نظام system. system. بكتيريا bacteria. bacteria. مدارس العلوم والتكنولوجيا الحديثة STEM schools. STEM schools. أراضي زراعية farmlands. farmlands. موقع location. location. نظام ملائم للبيئة green system. green system. يخترع invent والماضي invented. متطوع volunteer. volunteer. اليابس land. land. حقيبة سفر suitcase. suitcase. سلحفاة tortoise. tortoise. مدرسة أو مدرس مادة العلوم science teacher. science teacher. خطاب letter. letter. رسالة نصية text message. text message. الوالدان parents. parents. يعود أو يرجع return والماضي returned. قبعة للشمس sun hat. sun hat. الأرض ground. ground. طاقة الرياح wind energy. يلقي أو يسقط drop. dropped. منتصف النهار midday. يصور فيلما أو فيلم film والماضي filmed. الغطس diving. diving. شعاب مرجانية coral reef. coral reef. يشارك أو يتشارك share والماضي shared. بوابة gate. شجر استوائي اللي هو mangrove. mangrove. محمية رأس محمد الطبيعية رأس محمد nature reserve. رأس محمد nature reserve. يتحكم في control والماضي controlled. شركات companies. companies. بذرة seed. seed. شاشة screen. screen. أداة tool. tool. سائل liquid. liquid. كل مكان everywhere. everywhere. الكيمياء chemistry. chemistry. هولندا Holland. Holland. إعادة التصنيع recycling. recycling. محيط ocean. ocean. أجداد grandparents. grandparents. قناة مائية canal. canal. دولة تركيا Turkey. Turkey. أجزاء صغيرة bits bits. سلة إعادة التصنيع recycling bin recycling bin. نظام تنظيف المحيط اللي هو من اختراع طالب هولندي ocean cleanup array ocean cleanup array. Conjugation of irregular verbs يصبح become became become. يقرض أو يسلف lend lent lent. يمسك أو يلحق catch caught caught. ينمو grow grew grown. Words and opposites قذر أو متسخ dirty عكسها نظيف clean. ينمو grow. يفسد أو يتحلل decay decay. أكبر سنا older أصغر سنا younger. Study these definitions تعريفات هامة. Conservation conservation the protection of natural things such as forests, birds and animals. Filters tools that take things out of liquids such as water. Filter pass a liquid or gas ده لما تكون مستخدمة كverb. Pass a liquid or gas through a piece of equipment in order to remove solid pieces. Bacteria very small living things that sometimes cause disease. System a way of doing something a way of doing something. Decay slowly but naturally becomes weaker and then disappear. Chemical something made by scientists in chemistry or produced by chemistry. Green if something is green it doesn't damage the environment. Mangrove a tropical tree found near water whose roots grow partly above ground. Seeds small things produced by plants that new plants grow from. Suitable acceptable or right for someone or something. Collocations يصدر ضوضاء make noise. يتأكد make sure. يشترك في take part in. يلحق بالقطار catch a train. يرتاح أو يأخذ راحة have a rest. Listening and reading النصوص التي وردت الكلمات بها. Scientist بيقول drones can fly but they don't need a person to fly them. We can use remote control. This means we can control drones from the ground. In the future, drones are going to help solve some environmental problems. Boy, really? How can we do that? Scientist, well, companies are going to use drones a lot instead of lorries to make deliveries. This is going to help the environment because drones don't make much noise and they don't cause as much air pollution as lorries. Boy, that's interesting. Scientist, yes, and we are also going to use drones to help wildlife. Drones can carry or can fly over places where people can't go. We can see if there are any problems. For example, we can use drones to help save wildlife after floods or fires. Boy, can they help people too? Scientist, of course, we can send drones to dangerous places. For example, we are starting to use drones to check wind turbines. This is not an easy job. Wind energy is much better for the environment and makes less pollution. We can even use drones to plant trees. Drones can drop seeds onto the ground in places that people can't go to, and they don't need to stop and have a rest. Next. Dear parents, the bus will be leaving for Ras Muhammad from the school tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. and returning in 5 days' time at 12:30 p.m. on Thursday, 11th June. Please make sure that your daughter has suitable clothes for the swimming and diving trips to the coral reefs on Monday and Tuesday. They will also need good trainers and a sun hat for the visit to the mangrove forest on Wednesday. We will be taking part in the conservation project in the mangrove forest and helping to plant new trees. Next. Hi Hala, we aren't sharing a room. Mrs. Nagwa says that the older students have to help look after the younger girls. Can we meet at the school gates tomorrow morning at 6 a.m.? I need to give you the trainers. I'm lending you so that you can put them in your suitcase. Habiba. Fantastic green inventions by teenagers. Green inventions are environment friendly. These inventions present solutions to environmental problems without damaging the environment. Boyan Slat was a student in Holland when he invented a system to take plastic rubbish from the sea. There is a lot of plastic in our seas, which kills lots of wildlife. Boyan's system is called the Ocean Cleanup Array. It uses machines whose arms have lots of filters on them. These filters take the plastic out of the seawater without hurting sea life. Deepika Karab was 14 when she invented a green system cleaning water and making it safe for people to drink. When she visited her grandparents in India, Deepika saw children drinking water from a dirty canal. Before this, systems for cleaning water were expensive and used dangerous chemicals which pollute the environment. Deepika's system is cheap and uses light from the sun to kill bacteria in water. 5 Egyptian students from STEM schools were able to develop an app to help small farmers save water and energy. In this app, farmers complete a simple form with information about their farmlands. This form is connected to a smart app which tells farmers the right amount of water that they need to irrigate their lands. The app also determines the amount of energy and the number of workers the lands need according to their location and the season. The app also determines the amount of energy and the number of workers the lands need according to their location and the season. And the prepositions. تعبيرات زمنية. Time expressions. في خلال 5 أيام. In 5 days time. يخرج شيئا من. Take something out of. أشكال للحياة أو كائنات حية. life forms. life forms. يدعى أو يسمى be called. be called. يعمل في مشروع work on a project. work on a project. يغادر لي leave for. ممتلئ ب full of. يطير فوق fly over. يخرج في رحلة قصيرة go on a trip. من الأرض from the ground. يسقط على drop into. يسقط على drop into. مثل أو على سبيل المثال such as. such as. طبقا لي أو وفقا لي according to. يقوم بتوصيل الطلبات make deliveries.